In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert line numbers in a Microsoft Word document. Line numbers are incredibly useful when you need to reference specific lines in a document, whether you're collaborating on edits, preparing legal or academic papers, or reviewing drafts with a team. They display in the margin and don't change your actual text, so they're safe to use at any stage. Start by opening your document in Word and going to the Layout tab on the ribbon at the top. If you're using an older version of Word, this tab might be labeled Page Layout, but it's in the same general spot. Once you're there, look for the Page Setup group. Inside that group, you'll see a button called Line Numbers. Click it to open the menu of options. Now choose the numbering style that fits your needs. Continuous will number lines all the way through the entire document from start to finish, which is perfect when you want consistent numbering across multiple pages. Restart. Each page starts the count at 1 on every page, which can be helpful for printed documents or when reviewers only see one page at a time. Restart each section resets numbering after each section break. Ideal if your document is divided into chapters or parts. If you want to skip numbering for a specific paragraph, like a title, a heading, or a table caption, place your cursor in that paragraph and choose Suppress for current paragraph. That keeps line numbers off that paragraph while numbering continues elsewhere. If you want more control, click Line Numbering Options from the same menu. This opens the Page Setup dialog. Click the Line Numbers button, then check Add Line Numbering. Here, you can customize how the numbers appear. Set the starting number if you don't want to begin at 1 and choose the interval, which means how frequently numbers are shown in the margin. For example, you can display a number every 5 lines while still counting all lines in between. Adjust these settings to match your formatting guidelines, then confirm with OK to apply them to your document. If at any point you decide you no longer need line numbers, it's just as easy to remove them. Return to the Layout tab, click Line Numbers and select None. Your document goes back to normal without affecting the text. That's all there is to it. Use the Layout tab, pick the numbering style that suits your document, customize if needed, and turn it off with a click when you're done.